You are powerfully welcome to episode 55, continuation of episode 54. In the last episode, we are able to look at equation of a straight line. But on to this episode, we want to look at proof of coordinate of a midpoint on a straight line. Let us assume that we have the y-axis and we have the x-axis here. We want to get the coordinate of this midpoint, assuming that R is the midpoint between P and Q. So let this P, coordinate of P be x2, y2, and coordinate of Q to be x1, y1. So we know that from previous episode we talk about distance between 2 points, which is if we have RP, the distance between RP, we said it is square root of RP, that is x minus x2 all in square plus y minus y2 all in squared. That's what we agree as the distance between 2 points. Likewise, we can say that RQ, line RQ, is going to be square root of x minus x1 all in squared, then plus y minus y1 all in squared. So with this, we want to factor out the coordinate of the midpoint. Now, assuming that distance between here and here is equal to distance between here and here. Therefore, we now say that RP distance is equal to RQ distance. So if we equate, we are going to have square root of x minus x2 all in squared plus y minus y2 all in squared should be equal to square root of x minus x1 all in square plus y minus y1 all in square. So if we cancel the square root here, the square root here, we are going to have x minus x2 all in square plus y minus y2 all in square equals x minus x1 all in squared plus y minus y1 all in square. So we are going to apply partial equation. If we apply partial equation here, we are going to put x to be that of x and y to be that of y. So if we agree, then we have x minus x2 all in square equivalent to x minus x1 all in square. Do not cancel out the square because of what we need to derive. Now we square this, that will be x square minus 2x x2 then plus x2 square equals, when we square this, we are going to have x square again minus 2x x1 then plus x1 all in square. So by the time we cancel this one out, this one will also be cancelled out. Then we are left with minus 2x x2, then we bring this one plus 2x plus 2x1 x1 then equals to x1 square minus x2 square. So here we are going to apply difference of 2 square. Here we can rearrange and say that 2x x1 minus 2x x2 equals to difference of 2 square here, x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2, like that. So with that, we can be able to get some expression from that angle. So we can now get 2x and 2x is common. So let's bring it out. That will be 2x into bracket x1 minus x2 equals to this one. We have x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2, difference of 2 square. Then this is plus. So, sorry, multiplication. That's multiplication. So with that, we can cancel out this. Then we have 2x equals x1 plus x2. Then we can say that x equals x1 plus x2 divided by 2. That is for x coordinate of the midpoint. X coordinate of the midpoint. So on to the next episode, we are going to go further to look at the y coordinate of the midpoint. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and we apologize for little delay taking out all our videos. Please endeavor to subscribe and share the link. Thank you.